Traveling for work can be overwhelming, juggling itineraries, receipts, and expense reports. But managing it all doesn't have to be. Introducing WegoPro, the smarter way to manage your travel expenses. Simply snap a photo of your receipt and let our AI handle the details. We'll extract the information, create an expense, and get you ready for reimbursement in no time. No more guessing games. Track your expense report's progress in real time with instant alerts for approvals, rejections, and payments. Wherever work takes you, WegoPro keeps you connected. Available on iOS and Android, you can manage expenses anytime, anywhere. Next-gen tools for seamless expense management. WegoPro, business travel expense management.